Okay, talk to me.
50,
what's going on?
53,000 kilometers, so it's about 30,000 on the engine. It's got a couple of little things here and there. Dude, it's just, it's pretty good. It's got a little bit of things here and there, but dude, overall, for what it is, this car is amazing. I'm stupid happy with it.
I can imagine.
It's got a car with seats, got some turbo stuff to it.
I did see that, yeah. Looks like you got a nice intercooler on there. Have you driven it yet?
No.
Not yet. How does it feel to finally have the car? How long have you been looking?
I've been hard looking like for a while, but it's mostly been a dream since I was a kid, playing, you know, Midnight Club and watching all the Fast and Furious and all that good stuff.
Is that what made you want to get it, or what really kind of tipped you? Because you had the G35, which was a Z1 built G35. I mean, that was everything you could really need in a G platform. So what made you kind of lean towards the Skyline?
It's
the body.
The lifestyle of it, the history behind them.
The paint looks really good. driven right-hand drive, right?
Yeah.